is this an E36 M3 from European speculation of Japan?
It's a European speculation. They're speculating.
I'm thinking this is a...
Don't worry, guys. Get ready for the cool zone.
The cool zone. You'll point it towards me.
Yeah, it points towards hard workers. So if you start working really hard, it'll point right at you. So don't worry about it.
What kind of AI technology is this?
Want me to take pictures?
Yeah, if you want to go.
That's their camera?
Yo, is this an S50B32?
You know what it really is? That's what we're speculating still.
Guys, in this video,
This is my Eurospec E36 M3 imported from Japan. This right here is my benefit. No, it's not. This right here is my swag. It's Soldier Boy.
Yeah.
I don't know why I thought it was Ariana Grande. I think she did something like that in Seven Rings, but I don't know. Okay, sometimes I even like to push truth a little more. I'm like, yeah, we're like a little over 300. And tonight I did that, and her uncle was like, oh, let me go follow. He goes, it's like 295. And I'm like,
we've lost some.
no! How do I look?
Actually phenomenal. Yeah.
Hey Kings, this is my Eurospec E36 M3 imported from Tokyo, Japan. And this came, when it was imported, with these Xenon Hella headlights. It has mixed reviews for sure. I very much dislike them. A lot of you guys honestly dislike them as well. I'm not gonna lie, they've kind of made me not want to take pictures in the front of my car sometimes because of these headlights. So today, we are installing DEPO glass housing headlights, which these already are glass housing. All Eurospec have glass housing. We're installing glass housing, black and yellow, GT style, M3 mirror, or M3 freaking things.
We're installing these DEPO glass headlights. These are gonna look absolutely clean, dude. The yellow and the non-yellow, the clears, as in, that's what they, okay.
It's gonna look sick. So, let's get to it.
Dang, bro.
Yo, dude, I cannot wait to have these on there.
I really want
New eyes, brother.
Bro, is there anything sweet in that little box of yours for me?
What box?
The cooler of drinks?
Oh. You call it a box? You call a lunch box? Just a box.
It's a lunchbox, and it's called
Or
a
a
box.
cooler.
It's a cooler with a lunchbox.
No, I don't. No.
Oh,
I'm just kidding.
wait, dude.
Hey, sure. Grab it. Ah, good lagoon. I am removing bolts. Dude, I'm glad that that freaking window is just nailing us, bro.
Ah!
I'm
I'm hard at work over here, too.
For real, for real. Yeah, that looks. I think this might. I was just really asked by a local fan if I'm afraid of breaking anything on this. Like when I'm taking off parts, I'm very afraid. I think I'm definitely getting better as I'm working on cars more. Like when I put in these grills, we had to take this off, and I was like, yeah, basically, I like took off only a few so I could just move it slowly aside because I just did not want to break anything on it. But now I'm like, these little trim pieces are not very hard to replace. And it's honestly better to just snap them off because you know they're brittle. If they snap off, that means they're brittle. Just replace them. It's like $5 for a whole entire set of them. So
Honestly, part of like working on cars is breaking stuff and adding parts on, and so it's part of the journey.
all right.
No, I'm not posing. I was.
What are you doing?
Seriously,
I'm trying to.
what you doing?
There's a little screw down here, and I'm just making sure that it's actually unscrewing. I'm nervous it's not.
So this is my sister,
Yeah, wait, introduce Caprice.
the motor princess. Well, actually, no, because you guys are motor queens, and the motor princesses are our friends' girlfriends and wives. So you're the motor sister. What is a sister to a king?
Princess? Yeah, princess.
I don't know.
Yeah.
A sister to a king? No, a daughter of a king is a princess.
No.
Both. Princess.
Is the sister to a king?
Yes.
A king.
Let me talk to you guys about this. See, I forgot this was here, And of course, plastic is not magnetic, so these are just sitting in it. And I laid my arm down, plopped it up, 2 pieces fell. Luckily, this one was just on top. One was sitting like literally right here. Went to go grab it, nudged it even further, fell all the way down. And of course, I have an under tray. I was just like, I have to freaking remove like my wheel wells. I'm like, oh my gosh. But these are magnetic. My intakes.
Any girl.
So I just go.
Sweet. Wow.
Legendary, bro.
That's why I got them. They're fake right now. I mean, they're real, but I'm like, it doesn't lead anywhere. They will soon though.
Wait, it doesn't lead anywhere?
No.
You're lying to the fans.
I'm lying to the Republic.
We're stronger together. I'm sweating? Everyone wants to roast me.
Corner lights.
Apparently every chick inside of a royal family is a princess.
Bro, what is stopping this? We're being removed.
Stronger together. All right, BMW or Mercedes?
BMW.
BMW or Audi?
BMW.
Porsche or BMW?
I really like BMWs though, but like, depends which one.
Exactly.
First headlight officially out. F-O-O. Foo. First headlight. Wait, no. F-H-O-O. Fahoo. As Donut would say. That was a lot quicker. Once you do it once, it's a lot quicker than the rest of them.
Boom.
Not yet.
Boom.
Not quite a boom.
Dang, dude, nice. Boom. There it is.
Boom. All right, stop working, Luke. Stop.
Seriously, you don't have to do anything now.
Boom.
Second headlight officially. Suit. Little sneak peek.
Freak, bro.
That actually does make it look a billion times better.
It's gonna look so good.
Okay, but now I have to figure out the internals part, so this is gonna be really boring. It's really nerdy, like car stuff. You guys wouldn't understand. The local women here wouldn't understand.
Here you go, master.
I'm gonna be honest, dude.
What?
This is confusing.
Look at you doing electrical diagrams and whatnot.
And whatnot, and what you
Yo, guys, we're on our way to Walmart to pick up the bulbs.
Yep. The bulbs that we forgot.
Picking up the bulbs.
Picking up the bulbs. H1's $6.
$6. You want basics?
H1's $13, but only one of them. Why is there only one of them?
Get the silver stars.
There's 3 of them. I need 4.
Shit, dude.
So, but then there's these 2. So I could do,
2 silver star ultras and 2 silver stars.
but I'm like, dude, $30 pops, $60. What? It's gonna be $100 for these. So I'm like, how bad is this?
But okay, I kind of think yellow bulbs are nice, but
I don't think they're bad. I mean, what I could do is we can go with these, and if I'm like, yoinks, not the move, order new ones.
guys, we got the W5W. It's 2825 is the same as W5W, and he's gonna get. Just do the way we said. He's gonna get 2 of these for the inners and 2 of these for the outers because they only have 3 each and we need 4. So.
Because here's the thing, there's no way I put those in, and I'm like, dude, I don't like them. All right, we have to get a sales associate.
And
4 sets of wires into cover. Yeah, see, look. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. I don't, because this is this. These is going to those, and that. This goes into the position lamp, and these go into the passing and driving. I'm guessing passing is something.
I really think this is OEM, because
Go test it again. Now that oh!
dude, I swear.
Yo, I'm a genius.
Yeah!
Yes! Genius.
Wait, and then if I,
Oh.
dude, it will.
Dang, dude.
So wait. Okay,
just a
wait.
genius.
Wait.
I'm just a little
Also,
genius.
daytime running.
No, we haven't plugged that in yet. We haven't got the passing beam. So, guys,
Okay. USR, great headlights, but because of what I'm hearing about the corner lights having issues and screwing up with the daytime running lights, I'm not wiring those in. There's no halos on this. I can't really imagine what would make it really look that great. I guess the yellow would turn on. Oh, dang, that's kind of cool. If I want to, I have the bulb in there. I have the wire just sitting there. If I want to in the future, I'll just pull these back out and wire it in. But I really can't see that being a possibility.
just a small visualization of what it may or may not look like.
May not. Oh. That blew my cam. Okay, we started freaking out because we put it all back together and the right side wasn't turning on. Then we realized we never even put the bulbs in there. So that's lit.
Bros.
Finished. Took a while longer than what we thought. The wiring, because I had some aftermarket, like hella xenon headlights, a whole bunch of stuff, but we just deleted it out of there, so that's nice. Some weight gone. It looks amazing.
Looks so good, dude.
I really thought that tonight I was gonna be like, oh, dude, I'm gonna have to end the night without any bulbs, and also probably won't be wired in, but they might be in there. But I'm like, no, that's in there with bulbs, wired in, looking good. Sick.
Well, Kings, thank you for watching. This has been real. We love the look, and we're gonna have more projects to come, more cars to come. What else is coming?
Dude, so much. Can't even tell you. This car, I plan it to be
It's gonna be
visually completely different in like less than 2 months from now. So yeah, this is lots of happening. Lots is happening. So peace out, Kings. Subscribe, like, comment, do whatever you can to support us, please.